Welcome back. Now, before we move on to the final administrator tools, let's go back and take a look at the ways that you can organize your audio files into different playlists. You could select the plus icon over here in the playlist window, name your playlist. This is going to be Awesome Playlist. And then drag your desired audio files over that name and release. You could also start by highlighting your desired files and dragging them into a blank area to create a new playlist. You could reorder the files in your playlist, you can add or delete them, and then you could have an audio player play the playlist rather than a specific file. Now, in order to do this, you're going to have to be sure to go to your audio player's properties panel and change its playlist capable field to yes. That way you can give access to your playlist. That way you can go to your playlist field and choose one of your playlists from your administrator. Feel free to create new directories in these audio folders to keep your files organized. You can always delete the new directories you create, but you can never delete any of the basic folders that come preloaded. The final tab in the Q-Sys administrator is the event log. This window will keep a list of notable events that have taken place in your running design. This log will remain until you upload a new design or change the version of your current design. If you would like to save your event log before it is purged, you could simply copy all of the text and then paste it to a word processor or appropriate program. Or you could save your current design as a new name, and then the current event log will be saved with it. The main window of the event log lets you reload the display with any new events from today. You could clear the log of all events, or filter the list by many different categories. You could filter by severity and select normal events or error events. You could filter by category and by the dates. Certain events in a log will repeat. For instance, if a device's status drops from OK, then an error message will log. And it will be repeated again in 10 minutes, 6 hours, 12 hours, and every 12 hours thereafter until the problem is corrected. The log will even specify how long the problem has persisted, making it easy to find and correct any errors. So that completes the walkthrough of the Q-Sys administrator. Remember that there are still 3 other tabs available which control your public address system. So check out our paging tutorial for information on those. One final thing you may have noticed while following along with this tutorial is that anytime you make a change, this notification bar appears at the top of the administrator window, notifying you that changes have been made. You need to select Update to apply any changes you made in the administrator to the current design before they'll be active. So now you should have a clear understanding of how to operate each of the areas of the administrator and are ready to take the assessment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.